So once again, good afternoon. To be continued the topic of anatomical region about plant organs. So, ang kaning roots mo siya ikatulong na part sa anatomical region. Ang roots is the part that lies below the surface of the soil. The top part of a root or root apex is covered by our covering known as root cap. So, upat ka region of root. So, una, root cap. Second, region of cell division. Third, region of elongation. Fourth, region of maturation. So, napo siya different types of roots. First is top root and adventitious root systems. So, ang top roots, one wing root nodes continuation of the primary root, ideal for anchorage. Penetration is better for water, storage area for food. So, ang top roots na siya functions, siya may mag-absorb sa water o sa mineral din. Kung po ang anchorage, kung siya can be modified to inform to other functions. Then the external parts of roots, they are root hairs, tiny one called hair-like extensions of the epidermal cells located near the tips of roots. Increase surface area, absorb water and minerals. Then external parts of roots, so much like those of stems and pollen, cambium and xylem layers. So, ang pollen, the outer layer, carries food down the plant. Then, ang xylem, the inner layer, then carries water and minerals up to the stem. Then, muna sa mga examples sa root crops. Ginger, resolute, artichoke, garlic, radish, daikon, carrot, celery root, rutabaga, onion, parsnip. Sabuna siya. Then, parts of root, so, secondary root, primary root, tertiary root, root hairs, region of maturation, region of innovation, region of cell division, and region of root cap. So, flowers. So, siya ikaupat na sa plant organs. Flowers are introduced as the reproductive parts of a plant. They are not only involved in production but are also a source of food for other living organisms. So, ang flowers dili po dahil siya pangkuan pag-introduce ng sa mga pwede po dahil siya makaproduce of mga foods. They are a rich source of nectar. Then, ang flowers can either be complete or incomplete. So, ang flower kung naikuha na dili kumpleto na po kumpleto. A complete flower is one that consists of sepals, petals, stamens, and pistils. On the contrary, an incomplete flower is one that lacks one or more of these structures. So, a complete flower consists of two different parts. First is vegetative parts and reproductive parts. So, ang vegetative parts of flower na siya duha ka parts following una, petals. This is the bright colored parts that attracts bees, insects, and birds. So, the color of petals varies from plant to plant. Some are bright while some are pale colored. The petals help us to differentiate one flower from another. Then ang sepals is the green colored part beneath the petals to protect rising buds. Some flowers have few petal sepals, while few have separated petal sepals. Then ang reproductive parts of the flower. Flowers contain the plant's reproductive structures in different plants. So, ang reproductive po siya yung mga structures in different. The number of petals, sepals, stamen, and pistils can vary. The presence of these parts differentiates the flower into complete or incomplete. Then, apart from these parts, a flower includes reproductive parts, the stamen and pistil. A flower may have only female parts, only male parts, or both. Then the reproductive parts of a flower consists of the following. So, ang reproductive parts consists of stamen, pistils. So, this is the male reproductive organ and is also known as androecium. It consists of two parts, namely anther and filaments. So, the anther is a yellowish, sac-like structure involved in producing and storing the pollens. So, ang filament po siya, slender, thread-like object which functions by supporting the anther. So, ang filament po siya po yung support sa anther. Then, sa pistils, this is the innermost part and the female reproductive organ of a flower which comprises three parts, stigma, style, and ovary. This is collectively known as the pistils. So, ang stigma, it is the topmost part of receptive tip of carpels in the gynecium of a flower. Ang style, it is the long, tube-like, slender stalk that connects the stigma and the ovary. Then ovary, it is the ductless reproductive gland that holds a lot of ovules. It is the part of the plant where the seed formation takes place. So, muna siya ay type sa flowers. Muna siya ay kaning pinaka-important part of the flower. Ang sepals kay muna siya ay green part of colorful and attractive parts of plant. Then ang petals, colorful po siya sa parts sa flower na makita sa sepals that help in pollination. Ang stamen po consists of anther and filament. So, muna siya there are the male reproductive parts of a plant producing male sex of spermatia. Then ang pistils or carpel, po siya nakakonsist sa stigma, sa style, sa ovary, sa ovule. They are po siya ay female reproductive part of plant producing females. Pareha po siya sa stamen. So, ang ang flower makareproduce po siya sa process called pollination. In this process, the male gametes are transferred to the female ovules where fertilization occurs and ovules grow into seeds with the fruits. Then, naay pulo ka po nga uses sa flowers nga demonstrate sa people na magamit sila og mga flower. Reproduce po siya sa mga pollination. Then, naay pulo ka uses of flowers nga maka-demonstrate siya sa mga people nga aron magamit nila ang mga flowers. Various reasons for thousands of years. So, first, production of food, origin of honey, origin of medicine, promote crop production and pollination, enhance the neighboring area, provide fragrances and colors, decorations, preparation of dyes, pest deterrence, promote breeding. So, next, fruits. Fruits are the main features of flowering plants. It's a matured ovary that develops after fertilization. Some fruits are developed without fertilization and are known as parthenocarpic fruits, and the process is known as parthenocarping. Then, fruits are seed-bearing structures. It develops from a ripe ovary. They are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and fibers. Grapes, bananas, papaya, watermelon are some of the fruits consumed by humans. They are the main source of balanced diet. So, 9 parts of fruits. Dili lang sa 1, muna siya endosperm. Sa 2, embryo. 3, seed coat. So muna na siya gitawag og seed kanang 1 to 3. Then kanang gapit sa kuan diya sa tunga galing muna siya gitawag og endocard. Dayon mesocard. Then exocard. Then muna siya gitawag og pericard. So ang pericard usa siya ka kuan is the wall of ovary. Muna siya gitawag sa tao pa lang na ovary ang kuan podaisy kaning fruits. Then ang epicard outermost layer form the peel. Ang mesocard pod ang siya middle layer fleshy edible portion of the fruits. Ang endocards innermost layer, the inner portion where the seed is accumulated. Then types of fruits. Based on the number of ovaries and the number of flowers involved the fruit formation, fruits are classified into 3 major groups, namely simple fruits, aggregate fruits, and composite fruits. So, ang simple fruits, these fruits develop from a single matured ovary and a single flower. Apple, banana, cherry pear, plum, tomato are few examples of simple fruits. The simple fruits are classified into the following categories. So, naa siya 4 categories. Drugs. These are also known as stone fruits since it contains a very hard seed inside the simple fruits. For example, a plum of cherry, peach. Then berries. These types of fruits have a single seed in the center and are very juicy. For example, sa grapes o sa blueberries. Then sa poms, such fruits bloom from trees or for example, sa apple, sa papaya. Then sa Hesperidium and pipos, they are slightly similar to the berries and include fruits such as watermelon, citrus fruits. Second type of fruits is aggregate fruits. These fruits develop from a number of matured ovaries forming a single flower. So individual ovaries are called fruitlets. Blackberry, raspberry, strawberry are few examples of aggregate fruits. Composite fruits, these fruits develop from a complete inflorescence. These are also known as multiple fruits. So muna siya example sa simple fruit o sa aggregate fruit o sa multiple fruit. Ang function sa fruits, maka-absorb siya sa water and minerals, storing foods, protecting the growing seeds, helping the dispersal of seeds and thus in plant production. Next is seed. The ripened ovule which means seed from the parent plant consists of embryo and stored food, supply both of which are enclosed in seed coat or membrane. So, nasa ito haba types ang seed. Dicotyledonous seed o monocotyledonous seed. So, ang dicotyledonous is embryo lies within the excess of 2 cotyledons. Ang monocotyledons maka-consist po siya of seed coat, endosperm, and embryo. That's all, and thank you.